So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy XDC Network, ticker symbol XDC, here on Kraken. Once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right and press on Buy Crypto. In the search bar right here, type in XDC Network and go ahead and press on that. On this page, say the amount of XDC Network crypto that you're willing to buy. So in this case, I'll do $20 as an example. And in order to go to the next page, just press on the purple arrow on the right. On this page right here, you can confirm the amount, the price, the fee, and the total that you would be paying, as well as the payment method. So in this case, Apple Pay. And if all looks good to you, go to the bottom, press on the purple confirm button to proceed this way with the transaction. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy XDC Network, ticker symbol XDC on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.